water and weather. Air. Air is everywhere around us, but we cannot see it. We can feel it when it moves very fast. Air contains many things. However, they are so small that we cannot see them. But what does air contain? Air contain many things such as smoke, dust and germs. Also, air contains many gases like oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. All these gases, smoke, dust particles and germs are everywhere in the air because air is everywhere around us. Even when you are sitting in your room, all living things need air to breathe. Humans and animals breathe in oxygen from the air. They give out carbon dioxide into the air when they breathe out. This carbon dioxide is used by plants to make their food, and plants give out oxygen into the air. Properties of air. Air is present all around us. We cannot see air, but it is present around us. Even an empty bottle is not really empty as it has air inside it. Air is needed for burning. To prove that air is needed for burning, we can do a small activity where we take two candles and lit them. Cover one candle with glass jar. After some time, you will observe that the candle in the open continues to burn, whereas the one candle which was covered with glass jar goes out after some time. Here, the candle that goes out after some time is because there was no oxygen left inside the glass to keep the candle burning. So, this proves that air is needed for burning. Air can fill things and can change the shape of things. Many things can be filled with air. Like when you blow a balloon, you fill the balloon with air. Also, you must have observed that when we fill air into a balloon, the air changes the shape of the balloon. This proves that air can fill into things and also air can change the shape of things. Water. Just like air, water is also very important for our survival. The water has no taste, shape, color, or smell of its own. It takes the taste, color, and smell of things it is mixed with. Water is very useful for washing, cooking, bathing, and drinking. We all need fresh water to drink. But have you ever wondered that where does this fresh water comes from? We get fresh water from rain. But the question is that how we get rain on the earth? To find out, let's read and understand water cycle. You know that the water from river, ponds, lakes and seas gets heated up by sun. This water gets evaporated to the sky in the form of water vapors. And as these water vapors goes higher in the sky, they start to cool down and turn into tiny droplets of water. Lots and lots of water droplets together form clouds. When the clouds become too heavy to hold the water droplets, then these clouds fall in the form of rainfall. And again, the rainwater goes and flows down to the water bodies like sea, river, ponds, and lakes. And so the cycle continues. This cycle of water is known as water cycle. Weather. The weather is the condition of air at a given time. The weather of a place tells us if the place is hot, cold, or wet at a given time. So, some days we see the weather is sunny. That is, the sun shines brightly. These days are hot. And on some days we see sky is full of clouds. Such days are called cloudy days. Some days the sun does not shine much and it is cold. Such days are called cold days. Some days are windy. At times the wind can be very strong and blow things around. Such days are called windy days. And some days there are dark clouds in the sky and it rains. It is cold and wet. Such days are called rainy days.